Good morning. Another more relaxing, relatively speaking, day today in Sicily. I'm visiting the village of Enna, which is just up the hill behind me. I don't know if you can see the sunlight there. And depending on how much time I have after that, I'll either camp at a lake or in a forest. And there's not too much climbing today, hopefully. I always take away my own rubbish, of course, but wherever possible, I take other rubbish as well, as a sort of rent for my slightly immoral campsite. While I still have my breath, it's 200 meters up over 3.3 kilometers, so what's that, around 6.5%? The upper limit of what I'm comfortable with right now. Not only is the castle closed, which, let's be real, I probably wasn't going to pay for anyway, but it blocks access to the Roman ruins, to the temple of the goddess of Demeter, which is behind it, which I was going to go to, so that's frustrating. Yes, finally.
Stavamo pensando.
Questa?
Aspetta.
Una di...
Margherita e patate.
una di queste, per favore.
One of them, Germany's foot crew, has come to the Premier League, signed for West Ham.
Crikey, you wouldn't be doing this in a car, would you? Bubbles. Can you hear the thunder over my gasping for breath? So I'm at the lake and this circuit is very lovely, but I'm separated from the lake by this go-kart track. It goes all the way around. How is anybody supposed to get to the lake? I'm confused. Which developer was in charge of this, and how much are they making off this go-kart track? Because what is the point of a lake that you can't reach or even see? I found it! Here it is! It is admittedly very small right now because of the drought. I saw a sign today that the toilets were out of order on account of the drought, which might explain why I've had such difficulty getting water from any public taps or fountains. Come on! It's supposed to link up! Oh, come on! Far out! At least it's downhill, right. Well, I'm not getting back up, so one way or another, I'm coming out the other side. Very lucky! I thought it was going to be a lifting things over the barrier situation. Should be in for a flat, not so quiet because I can hear the motorway, but quietish sleep in the forest, right on time, 6:30, an hour before sunset. Perfect, dinner time. Feeling pretty fancy. I got some posh pecorino cheese and some good wine. I don't think there's wine from around here, so I just picked the one with the fanciest looking label. The cheese is really good. I'm a fan of pecorino. Cheers. What a treat to drink wine that isn't like 30 degrees. Nice, good wine at a proper temperature. Quality cheese. It's a good day. It's been disappointing in parts, but it's ending very well.